Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today's video is all about stunning wavy long hairstyle for weddings. If you are bride to be bridesmaid of guess this is for you. Wave all the ultimate symbols of romance and elegance. They add softness and grace to any bride look. Long flowing wave make your wedding style unforgettable. Whether loose or pinned, they radiate charm. We have collected the most beautiful wave long hairstyle images, perfect inspiration for your big day. First up, classic loose wave with a natural shine, ideal for outdoor wedding. Add a small flower crown for a dreamy touch. Second, side swept wave for a glamorous look. Work perfectly with an off-shoulder growth. Half up, half down wave with crystal pins gives volume and sparkle to your style. Hollywood vintage wave for timeless beauty. Pair beautiful with bold makeup. Boho chic loose wave with braided accent add a playful yet elegant vibe. These style work with all hair color from deep blended to golden blondes. Even pastel hair looks magical with wave. Add fresh flower for a natural romantic feel. Or go for pearl hairpins for a royal vibe. Loose wave frame your face beautifully, while tighter waves add bones and glimmers. Do not forget to glossy finishes spray. It keep your style in place all day. Wave also look amazing under veil. Soft curls peeking out looking angelic. You can mix wave with the low one too, perfect for the reception parties. Long wave ponytails for another trend. They are chic yet comfortable for dancing. Always choose a style that match your dress and fit your wedding theme. For a fairy tale feel, go for soft earring waves. For a bold entrance, try glossy defined waves. These styles suit both traditional and modern weddings, add subtle highlights for depth and dimensions. Remember, waves here are all about movement and shine. They make you look picture perfect in every photo and timeless in wedding memories. Which waves hairstyle is your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. May your wedding day be as stunning as your hairstyle. Let your wave follow and your confidence shine. See you in the next video with more gorgeous inspirations. Do not forget to like and share this video. Subscribe for more wedding hairstyles ideas. Thanks for watching and stay gorgeous, stay stylish. Thank you for watching. Bye.